Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in. Yeah, of course my dogs decide to bark. I have a switch here that... So anyhow, I have a switch here that when you press hard enough on the connection, you get it to work, but as soon as you let go, nothing. So we're gonna have to replace that connection on the board. Fingers crossed for surface tension. There it went. Alright, y'all, we are back in action. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Do apologize for the long wait in between videos there, but we have the Rialto location that's doing really well to the point where we're probably just going to close down the San Bernardino location. But anyhow, thanks again for tuning in. Have an excellent day. Hopefully you guys all had a very Merry Christmas, and we'll have a Happy New Year.